The United States Air Force stands as arguably the most powerful and capable aerial fighting force the world has ever seen. But what truly makes it so dominant? It's not just one thing. It's a combination of cutting-edge technology, unparalleled global reach, elite training, and a strategic vision that integrates air, space, and cyberspace. Today, we're diving deep into the components that give the U.S. Air Force its overwhelming strength. From its worldwide network of bases to its next-generation stealth aircraft. One of the cornerstones of the Air Force's power is its ability to project force anywhere on the planet, at any time. This concept, known as global reach, is made possible by a massive network of hundreds of military bases, airfields, and support outposts strategically positioned across North America, Europe, the Middle East, Africa, and the Pacific. This global footprint means that American air power is never far from a potential crisis. When trouble brews, aircraft can be deployed and ready for action in a matter of hours, not days or weeks. This rapid response capability is a powerful deterrent and gives U.S. decision-makers incredible flexibility. But having bases is only half the equation. The other critical piece is the Air Force's massive fleet of aerial refueling tankers. Aircraft like the venerable KC-135 Stratotanker, the larger KC-10 Extender, and the new KC-46 Pegasus are the unsung heroes of global air operations. They function as flying gas stations, allowing fighters, bombers, and transport planes to refuel in midair. This capability extends the range and endurance of aircraft almost indefinitely. A fighter jet can take off from a base in the United States, fly across an entire ocean, conduct its mission, and return home without ever touching down on foreign soil. This logistical feat is something very few air forces in the world can even begin to replicate on such a scale. When it comes to projecting raw power, nothing symbolizes the strength of the U.S. Air Force quite like its fleet of strategic bombers. These aircraft are designed for long-range missions, capable of delivering devastating payloads deep into enemy territory. Leading the charge is the iconic B-50 Stratofortress. Despite being in service since the 1950s, the B-50 has been continuously upgraded and remains a formidable weapons platform. It can carry an enormous amount of conventional bombs or serve as a launch platform for long-range cruise missiles, allowing it to strike targets from a safe distance. Then there's the B-2 Spirit, the famous stealth bomber. Its revolutionary flying wing design and special materials make it nearly invisible to enemy radar. This allows the B-2 to penetrate even the most heavily defended airspaces on the planet, strike high-value targets with precision, and escape undetected. A B-2 can take off from its home base in Missouri, fly a mission anywhere in the world, and return, all in a single sortie. And the future is already on the horizon. The Air Force is now introducing the B-21 Raider, a next-generation stealth bomber that promises to be even more advanced, survivable, and capable of defeating the air defense systems of tomorrow. No other nation possesses a bomber fleet with this combination of range, payload, and stealth. Stealth technology is a game-changer, and it's an area where the United States has maintained a significant lead for decades. Stealth is far more than just an aircraft's shape. It's an integrated system of design features, radar-absorbent materials, specialized coatings, engine heat reduction systems, and advanced electronic warfare suites that all work together to minimize an aircraft's signature. This means that aircraft like the F-22 Raptor, the F-35 Lightning II, and the B-2 Spirit can operate in contested environments with a much lower risk of being detected and engaged by enemy defenses. This first look, first shot, first kill capability gives American pilots a decisive advantage in air-to-air combat and allows them to carry out strike missions with unprecedented safety and accuracy. The very existence of stealth forces potential adversaries to spend enormous resources on developing countermeasures, giving the U.S. a long-term strategic and economic edge. While bombers and fighters often get the spotlight, the true backbone of the Air Force is its airlift capability. The ability to move troops, equipment, and supplies across the globe quickly and efficiently is essential for any military operation. The C-17 Globemaster III is a workhorse of this fleet, capable of carrying heavy cargo, like an M1 Abrams tank, and landing on short, unimproved runways. For even larger loads, there's the C-5M Super Galaxy, one of the largest military aircraft in the world. It can transport entire combat-ready units and their equipment over intercontinental distances. This strategic airlift fleet ensures that the U.S. military can establish and sustain a presence anywhere it needs to, providing the logistical support that makes everything else possible. The USAIR force also maintains complete air superiority with its fleet of advanced fighter jets. The F-22 Raptor is widely considered the most dominant air-to-air fighter ever built. Its combination of stealth, speed, agility, and advanced sensor fusion makes it virtually untouchable in a dogfight. While the F-22 focuses on air dominance, the F-35 Lightning II is a versatile multi-role fighter. It combines stealth with powerful sensors and networking capabilities, acting as a flying quarterback that gathers and shares information across the entire battlefield. This enhances the effectiveness of every other asset in the air and on the ground. Together with highly capable fourth-generation fighters like the F-15 and F-16. This fleet ensures that the Air Force can control the skies in any conflict. Beyond the atmosphere, the U.S. Air Force's capabilities extend into space. The modern military is completely dependent on space-based assets, and the U.S. Space Force, which works in close partnership with the Air Force, is responsible for operating and defending them. The Global Positioning System, or GPS, is perhaps the most well-known of these assets. It provides precise navigation and timing data not just for the military, but for civilians worldwide. This data is critical for guiding smart bombs, navigating ships and aircraft, and coordinating troop movements. The Air Force also relies on a network of surveillance and reconnaissance satellites that provide early warning of missile launches and gather intelligence from around the globe. Secure communications satellites ensure that leaders can maintain contact with forces deployed anywhere on Earth. Protecting these space assets is a top priority, as they are the central nervous system of modern warfare. In today's interconnected world, conflict is no longer limited to the physical domains of land, sea, and air. The USA Air Force is also a major player in the realm of cyberspace. Cyber operations are crucial for defending military networks from attacks and for conducting offensive operations against an adversary as systems. This could involve disrupting enemy command and control networks, disabling air defense systems, or gathering critical intelligence. By integrating cyber warfare with its traditional air and space operations, the Air Force can create powerful synergistic effects, multiplying its combat effectiveness. Finally, the most important component of the U.S. Air Force is its people. All the advanced technology in the world is useless without the highly trained and dedicated airmen who operate and maintain it. Pilots undergo some of the most rigorous and demanding training in the world, mastering complex aircraft and combat tactics. But it's not just the pilots, it's the mechanics who keep the jets flying, the cyber warriors defending the networks, the intelligence analysts processing data, and the logistics personnel ensuring that supplies get where they need to go. This professional, all-volunteer force is the true source of the Air Force's strength and adaptability. In summary, the dominance of the United States Air Force isn't the result of any single factor. It's the product of a comprehensive system that combines global reach, advanced stealth bombers, superior fighter jets, robust airlift and refueling capabilities, space and cyber supremacy, and most importantly, a force of exceptionally skilled and dedicated personnel. It's this powerful combination that allows the U.S. to project air power anywhere on the planet and maintain its position as the world's leading air force. Thanks for watching, and if you found this look into the Air Force interesting, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more content like this. See you next time.